Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. The very first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your Instagram app is updated, so go to the App Store or Google Play Store to check that out. The next step is to open the Instagram app and open a chat where you want to have disappearing messages. I'm going to open this one, and in order to enable Vanish mode, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you can see that Vanish mode is enabled. You can see that it says here that we are in Vanish mode and the seen messages will disappear when I close the chat. Now if you want to disable it, then swipe up one more time. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment